Hi everyone, and welcome back to FashionHerbs. Today, we're diving into a crucial social skill, the art of conversation. Whether you're at a networking event, a social gathering, or even just waiting in line at the coffee shop, the ability to engage in meaningful conversation can open doors and enrich your life. But let's be honest, sometimes small talk can feel awkward or forced. So, today we're going to explore some tips and tricks to make conversation flow effortlessly. Truly listen to what the other person is saying. Show genuine interest by making eye contact, nodding, and asking follow-up questions. Avoid interrupting and focus on understanding their perspective. Go beyond small talk. Ask open-ended questions that encourage deeper conversation. Instead of, "How are you?" try, "What are you looking forward to this weekend?" Or "What are you passionate about?" Show genuine curiosity and let the conversation flow naturally. Look for shared interests, experiences, or passions. This can be a great way to connect with someone on a deeper level. For example, if you notice they're wearing a unique accessory, you could say, "I love that necklace. Where did you get it?" Open and welcoming body language can make a big difference. Uncross your arms, smile, and lean in slightly to show you're engaged. Avoid distractions like your phone. It shows a lack of respect for the other person. Like any skill, conversation takes practice. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and engage with new people. Be patient with yourself and remember that everyone feels a little nervous sometimes. By mastering the art of conversation, you'll not only make a positive impression, but also build stronger relationships and expand your social circle. So, go out there and start connecting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to FashionHerbs for more tips on etiquette, self-improvement, and living a more fulfilling life. See you next time.